Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable the dark mode theme of your Netbeans IDE. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable the dark mode theme of your Netbeans IDE, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Netbeans. And after opening your Netbeans, next, I want you to look at the menu bar at the top and then find the Tools option. And once you've found it, just go and click it. And then select the options at the bottom. And after that, the options window of your Netbeans will appear, which is where you can configure and customize various settings for your IDE. And this is also where you can change its theme. So to change your Netbeans theme into dark mode here, first, I want you to go to the Appearance section. And once you're on the Appearance section, I want you to go to Look and Feel. And after that, there it is guys, you will now see the option to change your Netbeans theme, so just select any of the dark mode option right here. And once you've selected a theme, you can now click Apply to save your changes. And after that, your theme will now be updated, but you will need to restart your Netbeans in order to see the change, so just close it and then open it again. And then there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, the theme of your Netbeans will now be changed into dark mode just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.